How to put your business on Grubhub. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Grubhub can be great for local businesses. It gives your restaurant the opportunity to grow its business by expanding your reach and widening your customer base. So, to put your business on Grubhub, firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Grubhub for restaurants and tap on the very first link you see there. Now, tap on the sign up or get started button and fill out the sign up form with your restaurant's information, which includes the name of your restaurant, location, zip code, and your personal details like email address and phone number. Once you submit the form, you will be redirected to a page that outlines the registration process. As shown here, the process can take up to 4 days. Tap on the Continue Sign Up and review the information you've filled out on the first page. The next step is to fill out your restaurant information. This will include the name, phone number, and the accurate location address. Grubhub also requires you to specify the number of locations you want to add onto their platform. Also, if you have more than one location, you will need to enter the information about the first restaurant you would like to add. The Grubhub team will get in touch with you to complete the registration process for the rest. Next, after entering the restaurant information, you can review the pricing involved. This is where you can choose if you want to use Grubhub's delivery riders or deliver yourself. Make sure you receive the pricing per order details with care before hitting the Save and Continue button. The last step in this process requires you to enter your tax information. If you do not have this information handy, you can reach out to your legal team or counsel to get the FEIN. Or you can tell the IRS Business and Specialty Tax line. Next, at this point, Grubhub verifies your FEIN and redirects you to the final agreement. Make sure to review this carefully and keep a copy of your records. And once you have completed the steps listed above, you can go ahead and build your restaurant on the platform. Upload your menu and schedule a free photo shoot with the Grubhub team and further focus on increasing your visibility. So this is how you can put your business on Grubhub. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.